in 87, 78 new Anarkali, and I have ordered 3 bhturas and asked them first give me 2 bhturas, and he's there's a light problem, but I'm having bhturas in front of me, and I'm going to start write them. So sorry for that. Light is problem in this situation. So as you can see, I'm with these bhturas. So these are here right now, and we are going to have them. So the ancient bhturas Anarkali, as they are in front of me, they are very crispy and as you can see, here are the, so that's my another charming vlog, as you can see. And due to light problem, I'm not giving a particular review about bhturas, but they are in front of me, and now I'm going to eat them. So let's see what happened. In the name of Allah, the most beneficial, the most merciful. Yummy and delicious. One more. So as you can see, very delicious, and again and I'm on the second right now, and
ओके अल्लाह पाक लगी सलामती तंदुरुस्ती रहे आपको।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
खैर खैर तो वक्त आने समाप्त होने लगी है।
Okay. He was my waiter right now, and he was giving me, and this is my the second one, and I'm going to just complete it in the same time. And meanwhile, and now I'm going on the third one and the last one. This is my last of this vlog, and I'm going to start it right now. As you can see, complete, and now I'm going to start it. So here is again, in the name of Allah, the most merciful.
हम ले आ रहे ना एक बड़ी जो होगी ठीक है जाओ ये मेरा ध्यान रखा तेरा काम नहीं देखा ठीक है
Last Pura of my just vlog, and no doubt very reasonable and very delicious. They are also available at Shalom Market, in short called Shalmi, and basically it's fried item like paratha, but there is something in between it that is not particular topping inside, but a very standard. This method differentiate bhatura from golgappa, papdi and from paratha. It's in between the both kinds. Bite, and after this last bite is coming.
ये घर में माँ को दे देना ठीक है नमाज वास्ते ठीक है
He was asking me in Urdu, the national language of Pakistan, that I am giving you this piece for your mother. I am going to put it inside the okay, and because he asked me that it is for my mother, so again Puras ended and the remaining available. Thank you very much. I'm waiting for the bottle right now, and let me get again light problem, light. Dedicated to my class fellow Chaudhary Razak Hussain Gujar in France, Francisi Gujar, French Gujar. Ask them first give me 2 bhuras, and he is the chef of their Bhura and company, and now I'm going to pay the bill. So my bill is nearest.